If you want to learn how to add advanced action to your projects in PowerPoint software, then stay with me. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, peace be upon all of you, my dear ones. I am Amir Mehdi Kaihani, and as I said, I came with a very good training of PowerPoint software and giving an action effect to the project. Okay, let's go to the video. So we came into the software to see how we should take action. For example, what action we want to give now to apply the settings. We want to open this orange-yellow button that is inside this screen, color it.
Let's make it black, and the color of the button itself should be changed to another color. If we understand, we will click the button. But how should we do this? Well, we will do this with action, and now I will tell you what it is with zoom and link. Look, now we have to take a copy of the page we have and do what I said. That is, color these. Let's make it black because the shapes are yellow. And let's make the color of this button black, for example, as if the button was clicked. Now we have to come to page 1. We will put it on our form. You will insert it and we will put the action. Now this form of mouse click or mouse over means that mouse click means until we click on the orange button. Apply the settings, your mouse over, apply the settings on the photo until your mouse moves over it. Well, I want the mouse to click. I'm telling you these things now. Now we have to click your hyperlink to the next page, which is correct. But if you want to choose other pages, here you click on the name of the page and click on the second page. You can see the link of your website or give the link of any video right here and press this button. Only one of them can be used, let me tell you this. Two doors can be used for programming, which means that you can have both this and the programming that Sajjad teaches you. Now that you have seen it, you will see a link and it will open those links for you, or you will choose the same hyperlink. You can choose them, but the play sound will make a sound by pressing this button, and a sound by pressing this button. For example, here we want to make a laser sound. And what is this? When you click, it creates a line of boxes, and now I tick it, I do OK. Now we go to the slideshow. Look, now you can see the weather. When it comes on any button in the slideshow, it becomes a finger. This is your weather. There is a yellow circle around the weather. See what I mean? Now see, now that I clicked, you saw a laser sound? Look again, did you see this laser sound? What a cool sound. It's okay, I want to put the mouse over the slide that he chose for a minute. I'm not going to give it to him now, for example, other than that. I like him very much, and again, I know it all. You saw the sound of the laser until the season of return.
Back to the season of Roche, and it's very interesting.
The real return of Julba. Yes, let's move on to another example of the game. Well, Nervometer game, that is. You can find this game by searching on the internet about how it is and how you should fix it. If your hair passes through this white, through this violet, and you go into the whites, you lose and you lose. If you are right, you lose. Now how did we make it? Now I will tell you. I have taught you now. This is not the background anymore. I can give it any color I want. Snuff. You should enter here what is the action of the mouse over which is broken between the next page.
You saw that it was a simple trick with which we could make the game, and other games can be made. You just have to be creative and watch movies on the internet.
So, let's go to the other two, namely link and zoom. Now, what is link? I don't want to explain the link to you because it is the same run program Only with more advanced settings, the action can be more undeveloped. Even so, there is no need to explain the link because it is almost the same run program. But what about zoom? Now I'll tell you the zoom. See, I'm going back to the slide you liked. I want to zoom into them. What does that mean? That is, I choose this slide so that he knows. And at the end, I will click insert. Well, now,
It is showing everything, which means that we are now entering the slideshow. And these are our slides. It shows every slide we made here. For example, we can go to slide 2, okay? And whenever... What did you see happen? Slide. That's mean. Let's see the first slide. For example, we will go here. When I click on the page, it returns to the previous page. I click here, and it returns to the same Zoom page. Well, this is not good for games at all. It is only good for presentations. Well, you saw that it had a lot of action and interesting solutions. You can make different games with it according to your taste. If you learned something new from this video, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and like the video.